Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepe the Frog token. Now this is not the original Pepe token. I did do a video on that token. I will pop that up at the end of this video. That one obviously went parabolic, and now there's all these knockoff tokens. I did a video on baby Pepe and then another one called Stonk Pepe CEO. Now we have Pepe the Frog, ticker symbol Pepebnb. This is the last Pepe token that I am going to do a video on it. Frankly, I am now sick of Pepe tokens. But this one is actually doing very well. It is up 80.8% right now. Could be for the wrong reasons. I have no idea. But we're going to go over the information on this token. It just got listed on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over, CoinGecko. Just got listed on CoinGecko. We're going to go over the info on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here. So yeah, let me just, on CoinGecko here, if you go over how many frog tokens there are right now thanks to Pepe. There is Pepe Girl, Moon Pepe, Clown Pepe, there is Baby Pepe, there is Pepe ERC, aka Peppa. There is, I mean, it just goes on forever. Pepe, all over the place. So again, I can't do videos on all of these tokens because it's just ridiculous. And so you got to pick and choose. But this one is actually in the top gainer section. It is up 80%. But you never know if that's also for bad reasons, because tokens could be, you know, a scam and a honeypot or anything like that. It could be up for completely bad reasons. I'm not saying that's happening to this token. This one could be up for good reasons. I have no idea. But right now it is up 70.4%. It was up 85.6 earlier when I started this video. Their official webpage, Pepebnb.com. You could find that listed on CoinGecko, along with their Twitter, which is at BNB Pepe. Their Telegram at BNB Pepe, and their price chart and contract address are all on here as well. So right now they have 2,889 holders, so they're doing very well. 13,012 transfers, 9 decimal places. They have a total supply of 420 billion Pepebnb tokens. So it says, great coin, Pepebnb, the most memeable meme coin in existence. The e-news have had their day. It's time for Pepe to take the reins. Now, this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, all you'd have to do is simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the Pepe BNB token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko. You can find it on their webpage. Their BSC scan, which is on CoinGecko. You can find it all over the place. Just make sure you it's the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage. I'm looking for slippage right now, and I don't know if it says taxes or anything on here. There's a roadmap here, but yeah, doesn't look like there's taxes or anything. So if anybody has tried to buy this token and knows of what slippage they had to set it to on PancakeSwap, just let people know in the comment section down there. That's always helpful. So 24-hour trading volume is a little bit over $1.1 million right now. So that's decent. And their Twitter here, at BNB Pepe, has 10,800 Twitter followers. So it says, Pepe coin, a froggy-themed crypto token that brings meme culture to the blockchain with hoppy humor and viral value. So it says, we have burnt the liquidity by extending the locks until the year 7,394. And then it says they have proof team finance lock, and you can click on that, and that is their pinned tweet on their Twitter. And then they have additional LP burned, and they have a BSC transaction link for that you could check that out. And lots of memes, of course, on their Twitter. So it says, about Pepebnb. Pepe the Frog has been a popular meme character for years, and now it has found a new home in the world of cryptocurrency. A crypto meme project based on Pepe the Frog has emerged with its own unique token and community. The project leverages the power of memes and crypto to create a fun and engaging platform for users to trade and interact with one another. So the history of Pepe. Pepe's popularity as a meme can be attributed to his simple yet expressive design, making him an ideal character for internet users to manipulate and remix. Pepe also became associated with a range of relatable and humorous situations, which allowed the meme to spread rapidly through social media and online communities. Additionally, Pepe's subversive nature appealed to the counterculture ethos, and many internet users contributing to his popularity. Now, the roadmap is actually not a roadmap. It looks like it's just pictures. There's actually no words on it. It's just him upset and then smiling. And then he's just different memes, of course. Then there's some frequently asked questions. When is official launch? So it says this token just came out April 18th, so that is 3 days ago. Brand new token. Where can you buy Pepebnb? You can click it right on the webpage to buy Pepebnb, and of course, like I mentioned, you can get it on PancakeSwap. Can everybody buy Pepebnb? So it says everyone with an IQ above 0 can join Pepe. And is Pepebnb related to Pepe ETH? And it says Pepe ETH is a false messiah. Only Pepebnb can claim the true title of Pepe. Now, obviously, the other Pepe token that just got listed on MEXC Global did a lot better than this one. You could check out that video I just posted. I'm going to leave a link up here at the end of the video. So their Telegram at BNB Pepe has 6,843 subscribers. So their Telegram's doing pretty well too as well. So check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, and check out my other Pepe videos, because this will be the last one. I am no longer, unless something astronomical happens with some Pepe token, I will probably not do any full reviews of brand new Pepe tokens, and we'll move on to some different tokens here, because Pepe is, it's played out. It's getting played out, in my opinion anyways. But what do you guys think? Leave a comment. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.